always be very, very exciting to be in Iffi. It's one of the most prestigious festivals of India. So we are excited beyond words. When I got the script and I read the script, I was like, oh my God, I don't think I can pull this off, because it was so tough to even think of the sense of loss, like if you're not a mother yourself. So it was extremely challenging, but thanks to the writer, director, and everyone, in fact, like it's a film that has been made, like the entire team has got together with my co-actor, like Ketki, like it wouldn't have been possible. I think it's a beautiful team effort. It was amazing to work with everyone in this film.
Actually, burning is also about friendship and sharing without any selfishness, And I think I got so much connected to Ruxana within 1 hour journey from Bombay to Varanasi. We traveled together for the shoot, and then we were rehearsing on the ghats of Varanasi. But that bond automatically got created so much that something which I have, which is really near and dear to me, maybe I can give it to her, So that bond got created, and I think it's more about love, friendship, belongingness. So it automatically came. I didn't prepare much actually. When we were coming from Bombay, like from airport of Varanasi to our hotel location, we were just talking about, okay, we will eat this and we will eat that in Varanasi because it's so famous about food also. But then while shooting, we didn't get time to look for those items. But yeah, that was also a thing, like common thing for us.
Experience because first of all I would like to thank the Lakshadweep people because without them we cannot make this because they have cooperated that much strongly and peacefully. Actually we had only 15 days for the shooting.
Me, the director of this movie, Sinjar Pambadi. And this is the first movie in India that shot in this language, just already said. And this is the wonderful situation we ever had in this such a wonderful, big festival in India. In our words, actually, this is the Indian panorama, and it's a good situation. And I would like to thank the entire crew who worked behind this wonderful movie, Sinjar. And especially my producer, Mr. Shibuji Shishishila, because without his support, courage, and his encouragement, this movie always remain as a dream. So definitely this is a wonderful situation, and I would like to thank him, and he is the executive producer of the movie, Sitara Shibu, and my right side, Mr. Satish Amadan, he's the music director, and Geo Paes is the sound mixer, our crew here, and most of the crews are standing over there. All people are very young people who work behind this movie. First I conveyed this idea to my producer, and I pitched this story of a fisherman who lives in Lakshadweep Island. And first of all, I told my producer that we should shoot the movie enter inside that island, because in India no other movies never shot in this kind of island. And so he's the person who suggested me we will do in this language also. So it has happened, and it's a wonderful place, and you can see the beautiful sketches of beautiful landscape, everything in our movie. And definitely this time I would like to remember my best friend and best cinematographer, Mr. Sanjay Harris. He's at present he's doing a movie in Kerala, that's why he couldn't present over here. And he's such a wonderful young talented cameraman. During the shooting time, he is only 19 years old, I think, and nearly he got different festival as the best cinematographer award also, Lakes International Film Festival, so. And this movie is bagged nearly 10 awards as the best picture, best script, best cinematographer, and different festivals. and also won 2 national awards, Best Debut Director and Best Movie in Jasari language. And so far, it's participating in nearly 20 international film festivals.